couple of Viking axes that I've been working on. This one is, both of these actually, these come out of classes that I teach. So
Okay.
if I haven't made an axe like this for a while, I'll practice before the class. And I'll make one during the class too. So one or two axes come out of every class that I teach. And then there's some of the more complicated axes, like this would form a Swedish carpenter's axe. Okay. And this, just forging this out into a small blade would just be like a side axe, so maybe 4.5, 5-inch blade.
Okay.
And because you're also going to be adding a piece of steel to it. And then on the back, this becomes the back of the axe. A piece of high carbon steel is also welded onto this. It's a very interesting axe.
Yeah.
One of the harder ones, actually, because all of the features are put into one piece. Larger axes are usually built up from a number of pieces.
Okay.
And then this will form a fairly large, probably 7-inch blade Norwegian hewing axe. So this is at the stage where it needs to be folded together. I've already got a little bit of borax on here, so when I fold it together, the borax doesn't have to soak in from the outer edges to dissolve the
Right.
the oxides on the face